How to remove password from WinRAR file. Removing a password from a WinRAR is only possible if you already know the password. If you don't know the password, then bypassing or cracking a password on a file you don't own or don't have permission to is illegal. If you know the password, you can simply extract it and recompress it. When asked, you will need to enter the correct password and extract all the files to a folder. You can also remove password directly in WinRAR, but this only works in some versions. Firstly, open the RAR file and enter the correct password. Either ways, you will need to remember the password. Then at the top panel, you will see the Tools option. Then you can convert it to archive. Converting simply means WinRAR will make a new version without the password. Now, if you don't know the password, then the most simple thing that you can do is to ask the file owner, or you can check for text files included by the uploader. You can also check the website or source you downloaded that from. That's all for today. Thank you.